I think it's called Canards, C-A-N-A-R-D-S. If there is one thing about me, it's that I'm always going to start the vlog in the bathroom, and I, for some reason, am always starting this vlog with the washing machine going on in the background. So I'm gonna wait for that to finish, and let me try this again. Let me know when I'm out of breath from literally changing the laundry over. Okay, let's try to do this intro again. The washing machine is now off and I do need to restart it, so we're gonna make this quick. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. Welcome to a little weekend in my life. I have some fun plans today. One, we're going thrifting. I really want to go thrifting specifically for home decor, and I have like a few locations picked out in Manhattan, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna take you guys with me through that. This morning, we tried out a new coffee shop in Jersey City. Last weekend, or the weekend before, I went for like a literal 2.5-hour walk around Jersey City. And as I passed by coffee shops, restaurants, stores, I wrote down a list of them in my phone. So now I have like a whole list of coffee shops that I want to try, restaurants I want to try in Jersey City. And I feel like I slowly but surely want to cross them off my list. I don't get coffee out that often. If anything, it's like once a week and it's literally on the weekends. So I figured I'd use this weekend to my advantage to cross the first coffee shop off my list. This was from, I think it's called Canards, C-A-N-A-R-D-S, like the bird. And it was really good. It's a very, very cute vibe in the place. I didn't get too many pictures of it, but they're like leather couches, and then there's a separate section with tables. They have like high-rise booths. You know, it's just a good vibe. I feel like I'm butchering the description of it, but also the coffee's really good. They have pastries. I definitely would go back there and like work during the week on days that I don't have meetings. Like Monday, I don't have a lot of meetings, so maybe I'll go and work from the coffee shop. I just feel like there was a good amount of seating for how big the space was, and they have free Wi-Fi. The vibes were good. It was like semi-quiet, but also not too quiet, you know what I mean? So I really enjoyed that coffee shop and would highly recommend. And then I'm back here now. I'm getting ready, doing my makeup, doing a little bit of laundry before we go because my laundry needs to be done today. Well, not today technically, but I just want to get it done today. And yeah, I think that is kind of the situation. Like I said, if you guys are new around here, my name is Hannah. Make sure to subscribe down below before this video gets started. You can also follow my Instagram, TikTok, all of the social media platforms. Let's get into today's vlog. Quick outfit of the day. I honestly don't know how long I'm going to be out for. I have like 4 places that I want to hit on my list. They're all kind of near each other in like the Chelsea West Village area. Also, for some reason, I am literally so tired today. Like I am struggling to keep my eyes open, so we're dealing with that too. But I'm still very excited to go to these places because I obviously can't go during the weekday when I'm working because they close like by the time I'm off of work. So very excited for today's agenda. Outfit, I'm wearing this white sweater with my Abercrombie mom jeans, and then I'm wearing my go-to New Balance sneakers. We're doing hair in a clip. It's very windy outside today, like insanely windy, like questionably windy. And then I'm wearing gold hoops, cross necklace, and that's it. Let's get going. I'm also gonna try a TikTok vlog while I'm actually vlogging for YouTube, so we'll see how that goes. We're just gonna try to get literally all of the content today. I've been obsessed with TikTok recently, and I just feel like I can be a little bit more unhinged on there. I'm pretty unhinged on YouTube too, you guys know, but TikTok in and of itself just like cracks me up, and I feel like it can make funny content. So we're gonna make a little vlog for TikTok and try to vlog for YouTube. We'll see how that goes. thrifting. Didn't get anything, but I feel like all the places that I went were really cute. I would definitely recommend checking out the Housing Works thrift stores in New York City if you guys like are coming to New York City, or like if you live in New York City and like to thrift, because I found that there were a lot of really cute hidden gems in those places. There were also like a lot of really good books. I had read the majority of the popular ones that people had donated, such as the inheritance games. That one was one that I saw a lot. So I personally didn't get any, but the books were like $5 to $6, and they were running a sale at the Chelsea location where it was 25% off books as well. So the books would have been what, $3.50 or something like that, which is a steal for a book that is as popular as the inheritance games. That was really cool to see. I liked the West Village location a lot. I just noticed that the Housing Works in the West Village location compared to the Chelsea location was, one, pricier, two, they weren't running any sales, where the Chelsea one was running the 25% off thing. But they did have like more items that I would be more inclined to buy at the West Village location. My only thing is that, like I said, the prices were just kind of absurd, and that's just thrifting in New York City in general. A vase that would be $1 to $2 anywhere else in the US is gonna be like $50 in New York City. So I did find a few items that I really liked, and there was one particular section in the West Village location that had a bunch of like blue and white pottery and different items, and I was like, this is 100% my vibe, and I would love to incorporate some of these pieces into my apartment. But again, the price just like wasn't good. So I came out of this whole thrifting experience empty-handed. I would definitely go back again and make it more of a either like a monthly thing or like a bi-weekly thing or something of that sort, because I feel like they do have good pieces. You just have to go thrifting more frequently to find specifically what you're looking for, I think. No regrets there. It was a fun day out. It's also like literally beautiful outside. The sun is shining. It's like 55 degrees. Everyone's out and about. I saw so many dogs, so many puppies. New York is alive and well. Treating myself to a little Chipotle lunch since I didn't buy anything thrifting. I actually got Mexican food last night, so this was a pretty like ballsy choice to get Mexican food again today for lunch, but I'm legitimately starving. So let's do a little Chipotle haul. First thing we got, chips and guac. Are the Chipotle chips always stale? Yes. Do they for some reason hit different despite the fact that they are normally stale? Also yes. And the guac is just chef's kiss as well. I got a salad, which is my normal go-to order at Chipotle, and I got it with chicken, veggies, cheese, and I think that's it. And then I'm probably gonna throw a little bit of guac on it as well. But I love the Chipotle salads. I just think that they're normally so good, and they're kind of hard to recreate at home, which is like why I enjoy getting them at Chipotle. So I'm gonna eat this, and then not sure what else I'm gonna get up to today, but I'll keep you guys updated. My current read is Daisy Jones and the Six by Taylor Jenkins Reid. To be completely honest, this has never been a book that's on my TBR list, but I am in fact reading it for a book club, and then we're watching the first episode of Daisy Jones and the Six on Amazon together, so it kind of forced me to read this book. I know this is a really popular read, and a lot of people have rated it 5 stars, so I'm intrigued to see what the hype is about. Right now, I'm like 78 pages into the book, I think, and I do like it so far. It's way different than I thought it was gonna be. I kind of like the way that it's broken up from a bunch of different characters' POVs, like within the same page. The same timeline, but everyone's perspective of that specific moment in time or timeline, if that makes any sense. It's not a very long book. I think it's like 350 pages or so. I don't know if I would give this 5 stars in the moment. I think it's more of like a 4-star read for me right now. Intrigued to see if it gets better over time and if I can see why people would rate it 5 stars, but it's not bad so far. It's way different than I thought it was gonna be, and definitely a better read than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like historical fiction vibes, which I don't love, but it's not really historical fiction at all. I don't really know what you would categorize this as, but I am enjoying it so far. So this is what we're currently getting up to. I have college basketball on in the background. It's March Madness. I don't do like the bracket stuff for March Madness. John does, so like he has teams that he's rooting for, obviously. I just like rooting for the underdog. Like I love a good underdog story. Last night we watched FDU, which is actually a New Jersey team that's like 30 minutes or an hour up the road from us, beat Purdue, which was the #1 seed for that conference. And it was just an insane game. Like, it was neck to neck the whole game. I just love watching the underdogs take out big guys. That's my favorite part of March Madness. So if you need me for the next few hours until I have to get ready to go out tonight, I will be on the couch doing this.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite.
Quite a bit later, and I just got dressed for the night, so figured I'd show you the little outfit. This top is from Super Down off of Revolve, I think. If it's not Super Down, it's another pretty affordable brand. I'm pretty sure this top was like 30 bucks. And I can have a link down below, but I like the fact that it kind of is more than just like a regular tube top. I kind of like the fact that it goes up and then slants down. It's also just overall very flattering, I feel like. You can't really tell on the camera this much, but I feel like in person it's pretty flattering. Then I'm wearing my trusty Aritzia cargos, Nike Air Force One shadows. My hair is in a bun, per usual. We got the big gold hoops in tonight, and then we're headed over to Hoboken soon. So I don't even think I said like what our plans are for the night. Basically, we're going to this country bar in Hoboken. It's like my friend's birthday, and that was the one thing that she wanted to do on her birthday. So who are we to deny her a country bar? Also, I love country music, and any opportunity to go to a country bar, I am there, I'm in. So I'm very excited for tonight, and it should be a good time. We're heading out soon, but I just wanted to give you guys a little outfit and an update. Also, that blue light is literally freaking out in the back. Happy Sunday, you guys. I just spent the entire morning, which I pretty much like to do this every weekend, and you guys know that because I've vlogged it before, but I pretty much spent the entire morning fully deep cleaning our entire apartment, like more than what I normally do. Also, ignore the fact that my hair is insane. I put it in a bun this morning, and I need to wash it tonight, but I want to get a workout in at some point, and my hair gets super sweaty when I work out, so I'm avoiding washing it until then. What was I saying? I literally just got distracted. I did a full deep clean this morning. I not only vacuumed the floors, but I mopped all the floors in our apartment. I dusted everything. I deep cleaned the kitchen, running the dishwasher, washing some of the carpets in the bathroom, deep cleaned the bathroom. Well, not super deep clean the bathroom because I did that last weekend. I was able to do a lot of things that I don't normally do. I feel like I don't really deep clean my apartment every single weekend, but I do make sure that it is kind of picked up before the week, such as vacuuming and stuff like that. So that's what I spent the entire first half of my day doing. It's now 1:30 p.m. Oh, also I've been listening to this audiobook, I'll show you guys, from Libby. It's called The Murder House by David Ellis, and I really like this audiobook. This is probably not a book that I would pick up and read a physical copy of or like on my Kindle, but I really like the way they tell the story via audiobook. It's fiction, so when I say this, just keep that in mind. It's like a murder mystery book, but like kind of told in like a true crime type of way, and it's told from the perspective of not only the serial killer, but also the detective on the case. You get like dual point of views. Okay, it says David Ellis, but it also says James Patterson, so I don't know if maybe they co-wrote the novel. Like I said, I don't know if I would read this, like a physical book of this, but it was on Libby and there was no waitlist for it, and I just wanted to try out an audiobook this month, so I've really been liking this one. It's taken me like a month to get through, I'm not even gonna lie. I've had to renew it multiple times, but it's one of those books that you can just pick up occasionally, like if you're going for a long walk outside, or if you're cleaning your apartment, or if you're cooking or something like that. It's not a book that you need to get through within 2 days. It's kind of one of those books that you can pick up occasionally. So I've really been enjoying this, and I would highly recommend it. For the rest of the day, I don't know what my plan is. I literally just finished cleaning. I want to finish this audiobook because I only have about an hour left, so I need to do something that will allow me to finish the audiobook. It's beautiful outside and the sky is blue and there are people out and about walking, but my only thing is that it's 38 degrees outside, so the sky is a bit deceiving. I don't know if maybe it's warm in the sun, I'm not sure. So I could go for a walk outside, or I could walk to Target. I haven't been to Target in a hot minute, and we passed by yesterday in the Uber on the way to Hoboken, and I was like, honestly, I could go and explore the aisles of Target, but I really don't need to buy anything. And every time I go to Target, without fail, I end up leaving purchasing something, so maybe it's best I avoid for bank account reasons. So I don't know what I'm gonna get up to, but I just wanted to say hello, happy Sunday, because I really didn't pick up the vlog this morning other than vlogging my breakfast. Also, last night was so much fun. We went out in Hoboken, we went to a country bar. It's called, let me look up the name, Mike's Wild Moose Saloon, and they played country songs all night long. There were like maybe 1 or 2 non-country songs, but like still very popular pop songs. But the majority of the night was like Carrie Underwood, Miranda Lambert, Darius Rucker, Morgan Wallen. Literally so much fun, and I now never want to go to another bar ever again. I just want to go back to the country bar when I go out, because that was just my vibe. Had so much fun. I was dancing, singing, knew every single song, and it was just such a good time. So I would highly recommend, if you guys like country music and you live in the city, to check out this bar. It was pretty popular, so maybe I'm very late to the party, but in case you don't know about it, I would highly recommend. I really, really liked it. I don't know what we're gonna get up to today, like I mentioned, but whatever we get up to, I'll take you guys along with me.
Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the
Happy Monday. Clearly didn't vlog anything for the rest of the day yesterday, but to be completely fair and honest, I didn't do anything for the rest of the day yesterday. I finished the audiobook while I continued to clean the kitchen and put dishes away. I gave it 3.5 out of 5 stars. It wasn't my favorite book that I've ever read, but like I mentioned, it was just a really good audiobook to listen to and pick up occasionally if you're going for a walk or cleaning the kitchen or doing something of that sort. It wasn't really a book that you needed to get through as soon as you start it. And then I also finished Daisy Jones and the Six, and you'll have to stay tuned for a later vlog for me to give like a review and rating of that one. But like I mentioned earlier in this vlog, I was reading that for a book club, so I'm kind of glad that that's done because the book club meeting is next week. And now I can read a few other books that are on my TBR list that I've rented from the library that are due soon, so I need to like read those before I have to return them. I wanted to go ahead and officially end off this vlog here and give you guys an official outro. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the